The Violet Unicorn. Now that's an interesting name for a store. Good morning. Look at that blue sky. It's another awesome day here in beautiful Nova Scotia. Well, today we're riding to Eastern Passage, which is a community that's, maybe half an hour outside of Halifax. And we're going to a little area called Fisherman's Cove. As I mentioned earlier, we're on our way to Fisherman's Cove in Eastern Passage. Fisherman's Cove is a quaint and restored 200-year-old fishing village. It's rich in history and it offers visitors a peek into the past with a variety of modern-day activities and events for the entire family. We're riding along Shore Drive in Eastern Passage right now. Mostly modest homes, but some have awesome waterfront views. So we've arrived, and we'll first of all stroll over towards the cove itself. It's always interesting to hear the sound of the screaming seagulls. If you're a movie buff, you may see scenes that you recognize as we stroll around Fisherman's Cove. Several scenes in the Disney movie Beethoven, starring that big St. Bernard dog, were shot here in the cove. Now we'll go back to the shops and restaurants that are located along the wharf. Ahead is Boondocks. It's the largest restaurant that's located in the cove. And all the others are small buildings. Like here we have a small art gallery and a pet store. I went inside to look around because my daughter's got a couple of dogs. I did buy her a mug. Some of the buildings are just getting painted now. I guess because of COVID, a lot of things got delayed this year. Anyway, this is a little restaurant. It's called the Coastal Cookhouse, and they've got their menu on the wall. Another small restaurant. And another art gallery. If you look across the water, you can see McNabb's Island. It's an interesting place that can be visited as well. The Violet Unicorn sells a variety of interesting handmade gifts. And ahead is Pumpkin Village, another gift store. And of course, no boardwalk is complete without an ice cream parlor. And this one is here, and there's a deck where you can eat outside. Now we go across to the other side of the street. There's a fish and chips joint across there. Excellent fish and chips. As we continue to the far end of the wharf, we come to a more commercial section. This is commercial seafood operations where they process and sell seafoods. If you remember, I mentioned earlier that you could see McNabb's Island on the other side of the water. Well, you catch a ferry here at Fisherman's Cove to go to McNabb's Island. And that is our next video. So tune in next week to watch it. Well, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, how about a big thumbs up? And maybe hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next week. You take care. Have a great day.